Hey, what's up everyone? Today is a very special day. It's the eve of National Day. And to be specific, it's the 8th of August 2021. And another 2 more days, we're gonna come out of the countless lockdowns that we've had. And before I start the video, I just wanna do a shout out to all the business owners out there. I know it's not been easy. It's not been easy for me, and really appreciate that everyone is still trying to hang in there and continue to fight this war against COVID-19. Man, it's been extremely depressing for me. And but you know what? Let's not be so hung up anymore. And today is a good day. Why? Because I'm going to do another unboxing of the Camp Royale by Mobot. Okay, let me just put the camera here. So I'm supposed to follow the lines over here. Oh. Okay. And another perforated line over here. Let's see, it's okay. Wow. So it's really that easy, huh? Just like that. All right, so this is the Camp Royale. Okay, comes with a seat. Now this seat looks very premium to me. Kind of reminds me of the Cambria. So this is the Camp Royale seat. FYI, this is actually the most expensive model. I think prices might have deviated a little bit. It's probably gonna be, or I think it's $1,799. It's just a $700 extra, $100 extra for the dragon print. So I got mine in black with the dragon print. Okay, so this is the seat. Let me just remove the bike and then I'll assemble it for all of you. Okay, so let's take this thing out. Ooh, okay. Okay, the unboxing was pretty easy. All right, just two hard knocks on the side, and you will be able to remove it from the box. All right, let's just remove all these. Oh, I can see it's a really nice print over here. Yeah. Okay, gonna take these out. Okay, these are the attachable pedals. Okay, quick release. Okay, let's just attach the bike seat on. Alright, something I would like to share, and in case I forget, this is the part where we talk about the seat and mounting the seat onto the seat pole. It's far easier when you do the unboxing to leave the seat installation until you take it out from the box. Once the seat post comes out, it's far easier to access the bolt down here. So unlike what I tried earlier, that is actually very stupid. So yeah, the entire unboxing can be extremely straightforward. Once you unbox, pedals on, remove everything, take it out from the box, seat post, fully extended, then you mount the seat. All right, far easier to access the bolt here. And then you're good to go, man. It's a huge bummer. I didn't press the record button on my GoPro. Well, that's pretty terrible. But anyway, let's just run through the Camp Royale. Wanted to give you guys a POV, but anyway, it unboxes pretty easily along those perforated lines. Okay, so the bolts here are a little tight, but can definitely resolve that with a bit of oil. Okay, so remember to fully extend the seat post. That one's in, the Camp Royale, in all its glory. Take note, it's got nice measurements here, that you know exactly where the marker needs to be to remember your seat adjustment. You can charge this with the tail lights, so you can just go riding almost immediately. Okay, these look like the latest Brompton shifters. Alright, and for this particular model, it comes with sleeks. Yeah, road tires. Okay, let's just go pump these up and go for a ride. Yeah, I've been perspiring because I've been wearing a helmet that was quite frankly pointless because I totally forgot to turn on the damn GoPro. I mean, I thought I pressed it, but obviously maybe that was to turn it on. I forgot to fire it off for it to continue recording. But anyway, that's my mistake. So I'm gonna get some air in the tires and then we can go for a test ride. Oh yo, where's my tire pump? Okay, there it is. I'm using a Top Peak. These are awesome. This is an awesome pump. I'm gonna do about 80, maybe 80 psi. Let's do the rear tires as well. Just 80 psi. In fact, a little bit more. Always remember to keep your tools, especially if you have kids around. Everything goes missing. Let's go. Wow. First impressions, this thing feels solid. All right. Total weight 13.5 kilos, so it definitely feels like a really solid bike construction. Okay, so I gotta be a little bit careful because I'm actually trying to handle a DSLR while riding. Most of the time is actually with my my mobile phone. Okay, I'm just gonna just take it to the playground. Oh my god, it's been weeks since I perspired so much. It's a little disappointing that I was not able to do the POV using the GoPro Hero 9, but no time for regrets, right? So I'm just gonna make do with what I have, give you a little bit more footage on the GH5 that I'm using right now. Okay. All right, so let's just do a few simple gear changes. Okay. Okay. Very stable. Very stable. Very sturdy. Okay, I don't really want. Oh my god, do I really have to go on the grass? Frick. Yeah, it looks like I have to. Oh. Okay. Got some people playing badminton here. Very, very early. Well, I'm having a real workout. Alright, let's just go back in. The Camp Royale, guys. Okay. Let me just park this here and get a good angle. Okay, I've got the sun in front of me. This is a much better view. Much better view. Okay, so let's do the unfolding. Now, guys, this is something that I've been wanting to share with all of you. This is actually the killer feature of the new Camp Royale. As you can tell, you can very freely swivel the front. So meaning to say, if you are in a half fold, you can technically push it in this manner. Okay? Unlike the Bromptons, you can't do that. So if you actually have this, it will double up as a very capable shopping cart. If you have a bag in front, you can just go shopping in this manner. The geometry in the front is actually modified. So yeah, you can do this, man. See? So another benefit, or rather is another improvement on the Camp Royale. So what do you think, guys? Getting yourself one? I heard the units are flying out really fast. You should definitely book one. And if you see me on the road, say hi. Yeah, this is the Camp Royale, and I'm gonna show you some B-roll. And as always, if you like the video, please hit that like button. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, and I'll be back with more videos, especially the entrepreneurial ones. Now that we're going back, and I mean we're gonna resume business soon. I think I will dedicate some time, continue with that series of entrepreneurship videos, because I think those are so important, especially now with whatever that we've all been through. There are certain things that I would like to share with all of you. And until then, you guys keep safe, keep your masks on, get your vaccines. Bye.